I'm studying a Bachelor of Commerce in Statistics and Data Science. I chose this degree because I am passionate about finding links and connecting the dots between things that no one can possibly imagine relate together. I chose to study this at UP EMS because they have a good employer reputation, and this degree specifically in EMS equips me with everything I need to succeed in the workplace. My experience at UP has actually been very holistic. I've been involved in student leadership, campus life. I have a good social life. Rest life is very good. I would recommend UP if you would like a holistic student experience. So in my degree, we do a lot of the tools that we would need in the workplace to be able to do data analysis. For example, SAS and R. We learn these tools while we are still studying, so we don't have to struggle when we get to the workplace. If you're in matric, I would say study hard, pass that maths, get that English, and get ready to come to UP. You're gonna have a blast over here.